Good morning, students. We have read child was attracted to all things, whatever he saw all around. So let's continue our chapter. There was a roundabout in full swing. Man, women, and children, carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. Shrieked means here cried. It means after that the child saw the roundabout swing. You can see the picture of roundabout swing. It was full of men, women, and children who were enjoying the ride. The child watched them intently. Intently means carefully, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout, please, father, mother. Again, the boy is requesting here. The boy watched carefully all the people on the roundabout, and then he boldly requested his parents. What request? To go on the roundabout. कि वो उस स्विंग पर झूलना चाहता था. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were not there. Ahead of him, he turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. It means after requesting his parents, when he saw his parents didn't reply, कि उसके parents ने कोई reply नहीं किया, he turned towards his parents, but he found them missing. He looked around and behind, but his parents were nowhere to be seen. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk on his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, Mother, Father. It means here, writer is telling us what is the feeling of the boy when he was separated from his parents. कि जो चीज़ें अभी तक उसे अट्रैक्ट कर रही थी, अब उन चीज़ों का उसके लिए कोई मायने नहीं रह जाता है. Now a sudden change came in the child. He started crying for his parents. He was full of fear. यहाँ बच्चे के अंदर सैडनेस, फियर्स, इस तरह के इमोशंस जो हैं वो राइटर हमें बताना चाहता है कि जब वो अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो जाता है. Tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. Flushed face means happy face. Convulsed to make with fear. It means उसका happy face किस में change हो जाता है into fear. Panic stricken, extremely frightened. He ran to one side first, then to the other. Hither and thither means here and there, in all direction, knowing not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. It means he continues crying, cried, and he was running here and there to find out his parents, but he didn't find them. He was continuously crying only. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. His yellow turban, जो सर पर बांधी हुई थी उसने पगड़ी, टर्बन होती है पगड़ी, opened and his clothes became muddy. Having run to and fro in race of running to and fro here and there, for a while he stood defeated, his cries suppressed into sobs. A little distance on the green grass he could see, through his filmy eyes, men and women walking. It means after some time he gave up. वह हार मान जाता है और ज़ोर ज़ोर से रोना बंद करके क्या करना शुरू कर देता है? सुबकना शुरू कर देता है. सॉब्स मीन्स सुबकना. इट मीन्स जोर जोर से रोना शुरू कर देता है, सुबकना शुरू कर देता है. एट सम लिटिल डिस्टेंस ऑन द ग्रीन ग्रास ही कुड सी थ्रू हिज फिल्मी आइज. फिल्मी आइज मीन्स ज़्यादा रोने से उसे धुंधला दिखाई दे देता है. कि मैन ही सॉ, वो क्या देखता है? मैन एंड वीमेन. इट मीन्स सम पीपल वर स्टैंडिंग एंड टॉकिंग. ही ट्राइड टू लुक इंटेंटली. इंटेंटली मीन्स केयरफुली अमंग द पैचेस ऑफ bright yellow clothes. Bright yellow clothes means people who were wearing yellow clothes. It means here he saw some people were standing and talking. फिर क्या करता है? He was searching his parents among people. दे वर लाफिंग एंड टॉकिंग, कि वो क्या करता है, दे क्या देखता है, लाफिंग एंड टॉकिंग, बट these were meaningless for the child. There was no sign of his father and mother among these people who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. It means these things were meaningless for the child. He ran quickly again, this time to shrine. Shrine means here temple, to which people seemed to be crowding. It means अब अपने पेरेंट्स को ढूंढता हुआ बच्चा कहाँ आ जाता है, टेम्पल में आ जाता है। वहाँ पर उसने क्या देखा, बहुत भीड़ है, देयर वॉज सो मच क्राउड। एवरी लिटल इंच ऑफ स्पेस हेयर वॉज कंजस्टेड विद मैन, बट ही रैन थ्रू पीपल्स लेग्स, his little sob lingering mother, father. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other. Jostle means push to each other, धक्का मुक्की करना. Heavy man with flashing, murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. Hefty means here heavy shoulders. It means बच्चा cry करता हुआ. It means continue cry कर रहा है, cry करता हुआ. He ran through the legs of man and calling out for his parents. अपने parents को बुला रहा है. It means all these lines show there was so much crowd. Heavy man with flushing, murderous eyes and hefty shoulders, meaning here कि these description show करता है कि बच्चा बहुत डरा हुआ था, इसलिए उसे सभी चीज़ें क्या है, डरावनी दिखाई दे रही थी यहाँ पर. The poor child struggled to thrust away between their feet, but knocked to and fro. To and fro means here and there. By their brutal movements. Brutal movements, it means rough movements. पुअर चाइल्ड उनके पैरों के बीच में से रास्ता बनाने की कोशिश करता है, परंतु उनकी रफ मूवमेंट से उसे इधर उधर पुश कर दिया जाता है. ही माइट हैव बीन ट्रैम्पल्ड अंडर फुट. ट्रैम्पल मीन्स क्रश, कुचलना. इट मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, सो द बॉय कुड हैव बीन क्रस्ड अंडर द फीट ऑफ द मैन. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice. Shrieked means cried. कि इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ में उसकी जो चिल्लाने की आवाज़ थी, फादर मदर, वो भी सुनाई नहीं पड़ रही थी. बट अ मैन इन द सर्जिंग क्राउड मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग क्राउड, बढ़ता हुआ क्राउड, बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड, heard his cry and stooping with great difficulty. Stooping with great difficulty means बहुत भीड़ के कारण मुश्किल से झुका गया. Lift him up in his arms. It means but a man की उसकी आवाज़ सुनाई नहीं दे रही थी, but a man heard his cry and lifted the child in his arms. इस तरह child अपने parents को ढूंढ रहा है. Okay, I hope you are getting the chapter. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.